Okay, so I realized that the glare on my glasses is really bad from the last video, but I need my glasses to do this part. So I'm going to read to you now from, it's a Rolling Stone article, and the title of the article is Rent a Hitman. Okay, so this was published October 15th, 2020, so just recently, and a friend of mine sent it to me, and it's sort of it's an example of satire gone wrong. So I'm going to read part of the article to you. I will make the whole article available on the assignment portion of the next assignment. I'll put it up there somewhere, but it's written by E.J. Dickinson. I have to put my old lady glasses on in order to read it read it to you guys. Okay. So, how a fake rent-a-hitman site became accidental murder for hire. You'd think no one would be stupid enough to book a murderer for hire on a website called rentahitman.com. Bob Innes, owner of the site, is here to tell you people are a lot dumber than you realize. A few months ago, a 51-year-old woman from Michigan named Wendy Martin contacted Bob Innes' website. Oh, I've lost my spot. Named Wendy Wang sent an email to a man she believed was named Guido Finelli, the proprietor of a website called rentahitman.com. The quotes for the website read, "Got a problem that needs resolving? With over 17,985 US-based field operatives, we can find a solution that's right for you." The website promised, along with a badge touting the site's HIPAA compliance, HIPPA. Wine indeed had a problem that needed resolving. As she recounted in her email to Finelli, there was a man who had ripped her off for $20,000, her ex-husband, as authorities later discovered, and she wanted him taken care of. In her email, she said, "I prefer not going to jail. Thank you for your time." There was a small problem with this request. Guido Finelli was not actually Guido Finelli, but Bob Innes, a repo man in the Bay Area of San Francisco, and the owner of Rent a Hitman, a satirical website that has started out as a joke and has now started out as a joke, and basically this website is now traps people and they get arrested because they're trying to hire a hitman. So this is an interview with Bob Innes done by Rolling Stone. So what happened to Wine? Well, if she'd been paying attention, she would have noticed a few red flags that the site was not real. The fact that HIPAA stands for Hitman Information Privacy and Protection Act of 1964, for instance, or the section promising group and senior discounts. The fact that the website openly offers the services of killers for hire should also be a clue that this is not a real website. Nonetheless, these key factors eluded her, and as soon as she reached out to Innes, he alerted the authorities, who placed her under arrest. She was charged with solicitation to commit murder and illegal use of a computer to commit a crime, and is currently awaiting trial. So the story went kind of viral. I'm not sure if you would have heard of it yet. So there's a few questions, and they kind of ask him who he is, and he started out as an IT guy. But he went through Napa Valley Police Academy in 1999. There weren't any jobs for him, so then he moved into IT. And he got the domain hit name. The Rent-A-Hitman domain name actually started out because he and a bunch of graduates from IT wanted to make a joke, and they were like, okay, well, we can help you get more hits on your website. So their whole point was, rent a hitman, and it would be a joke, right? I mean, it's not going to be, no one's going to take that seriously. Nobody's actually going to go online and go to a website that says rentahitman.com and try to murder somebody, right? So at this point, I want you to like answer the question. Am I making this up or is this a real thing? Don't Google it. Don't Google it. Just go answer.